Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is August 11th, 2020. And yeah, as you can see right here, my profit for today is $73.70. Actually, it's not just $73.70. I actually traded both Tesla and Amazon today. So I just wanted to showcase that with you. But my main focus today is Tesla. So overall, I have $186.90. So yeah, let's just get into it. So for Tesla, you can let me just open this right up here for you. Okay, so you can see here again, if you focus on minimum 2 ticker symbols, like for me, usually if I don't trade Amazon on one day, I trade Tesla, and I just I go in between back and forth. Like I said, today I traded both of them. So I traded Amazon and I traded Tesla. So the main focus is, if you study one ticker symbol, you can actually pick up on the patterns. And again, like I have completely stressed upon this, I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but usually in the morning time, we have this huge sell-off. You can go to all of my videos. You can clearly see that I say the same thing. But yeah, I just want you to get into the habit of showing you that there are trends that can be, you can actually see them coming the more you study it. So you see this huge sell-off right here, this huge pullback, and then we get to the lowest of 1365. Some people like to just wait until they can have the opportunity to get into the dip buy, so they just clearly go in and get into the lows. For me, I usually just wait until it verifies and go over this EMA line right here, and then I try to take my trade. So again, today was a huge red day. For some reason, the Nasdaq, the overall /NQ has been pushing up, so which means that all of these Fortune 500 companies, they're actually following that. And as you can see right now, the market is actually currently still open. Today I just wanted to just test out my strategies to see if it can work in between both of the ticker symbols that I trade. And as you can clearly see, that today I made $73.70. I could have made more money, but that's not the point. The point again is all about the process, not the profits. So yeah, if I wanted this morning, I could have gotten in here, but again, we have to wait for it to for a pullback and then see if it bounces off. Usually I just wait until it bounces off this VWAP line, showing that there's an indication of an uptrend or even a sideways, instead of it just coming back down and selling right back off. So I waited until it bounced off, and then I got in. Again, I traded 10 shares here, 10 shares here, just a total of 5 shares total, but actually 4 times I traded. So 1, 2, 3, and then my last trade I did 20, just to lock in some more profits, just to make sure that again my strategy actually works. I mean, if you're watching this, hopefully you can pick up on it, but I just stress the same thing in every video. So today, like I said, I get in, wait for some sort of volume coming in. It's over the EMA line. Most traders just don't have the patience, and you got to be patient with something like this. For me, I just scalp trade. So others can just get in here and then wait for it to push all the way up and capitalize off of that. For me, it feels much more comfortable for me to just get in, get out, wait for it to bounce, get in, get out, wait for it to bounce, get in, get out, and so on and so forth. So yeah, hopefully this video was pretty much informative for you. And again, just make sure to keep your share size low. Do not trade with your overall amount size that you have in your account. And just make sure you keep progress, just keep the progress going, just keep studying, and I can tell you that one day you are going to be profitable. It's just you have to put in the work. You have to show to yourself that you can in fact trade. And as you can see right now, the market is pretty much selling off right here. So I can just go over here to /NQ really quick, just to show you that we had this huge sell-off here. Let's just go to the 180-day chart right here, and you can see that we are clearly below this EMA line right here. So we're trying to just hold this support line, and if this pushes up, the rest of the market shall follow. So yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. What have you guys been up to? Are you guys still trading? Right now the time is currently 1:30. We're not sure if this is actually going to push up at the end of the day, making it into a full green. Currently we're still negative 0.22% down. So yeah, just be cautious if you're going to be trading all day. I pretty much ended my trading at around 10:30, 11 o'clock or so. And yeah, that's just pretty much my video for today. So hopefully you found this informative, and hopefully you like this video. You know, smash that like button, the subscribe notification. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.